Section 14. Local jurisdiction of judicial magistrates. Clause 1. It says that the Chief Judicial Magistrate, from time to time, will define the local limits of the areas within which the magistrates appointed under Section 11 and Section 13 will exercise their powers. This is provided that the Court of Special Judicial Magistrate can hold its sitting anywhere in the district. Clause 2. Jurisdiction and power of every first-class or second-class magistrates will extend throughout the district. It is a general rule, unless otherwise specified. Clause 3. It states that if the jurisdiction of the magistrate extends to an area beyond the district or metropolitan area, in which they ordinarily hold court, and any reference in the Code to the Court of Session, Chief Judicial Magistrate, or the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, will, in relation to that magistrate, be understood to refer to the court exercising jurisdiction in the district or metropolitan area. It also states that he will have jurisdiction unless the context otherwise requires.